anything, right? All the units you have. Nope. I was coming here with 3 tonight, but they weren't ready. Well, there's
Do we have Yates crossover, please?
West.
Yates West.
Now I can go.
He's not with Gary Rollins.
The red, like, no, I couldn't. Right.
Well, I got you to throw that one back to me. Yeah, but we don't have to go over it. Was that this switch here? Yeah. Okay, because we're just, oh yeah, we've got to go all the way past here to get back in on that truck. Okay.
Pat, we have a bunch here with the same numbers on them. These tentacle plastic cars all got the same number.
Oh, yeah. Well, actually, we just changed it.
Oh, you're changing?
You're not.
7, 8?
You tell me when it's passed.
Pardon?
7, 8. 7, 8.
Yeah, but look at the other one.
Okay,
Oh, 4, 6, 1.
can you throw Yates West back?
Because I really can't see it all. One right here.
Yeah.
My transformation.
Excuse me? I'm sure on the front.
Yeah.
Any signals before I do this?
Nope.
So Alex, we're going to take that whole thing back around the...
Take the cards with you.
Anytime you want.
You're okay.
Grab another track. Grab a different track to bring over.
I think I can. Thomas the Train. The kids, little guys they watch. Thomas the Train.
Okay, I'm clear, Gary. Thank you.
I'm sure you are, but you need to learn to do this.
Yeah, listen to him.
Hi, Bob.
Hi, Dave.
Everybody needs to learn
Basically,
all
I
the
guess these two for the storage. These for outbound, inbound, making up the local.
I just want to check here.
Just because storage, locals,
Does this have to go
preferably.
If you're gonna need to get the Yates West crossover to get into the yard. Does Alex tell you what truck he wants this in?
Hey, Al?
Yep.
Alex, which track do you want this in?
3 or 4. 3 or 4.
3 or 4. So
From the main line, 1, 2, 3, or just one goes 2. Fred's on 4, so it's better to go into 3.
and I need what up here?
You need Yates West crossover. And then
Bright colors.
that one's already
Buried yet. That's really bright, eh?
Mm-hmm. That's
This
the
one
main
right
line.
here.
They're infrared.
Oh, I see.
If I stay here in Brantford, I would like to get
Okay,
a
so now what's in there?
and get
Oh, that one.
Yeah, they're infrared.
It's down there.
Beaver's down at the end.
He's down at the level here, and
Oh yeah, that's cool.
That's what I want for my Brantford.
Oh, yeah.
tech